Hello everyone. Now today let us talk about this initial status that you can set when you are creating an issue. And personally, I'm not a big fan of this feature. Now if you create a new issue in Jira, let us say I'm creating this epic, right? Let us say I want to name this epic like some functionality. And when I create this epic, of course, the status would be to do. Now there is a feature here called as, in this particular case, the option to select the status while we are creating the issue is there. And I am not really sure, to be honest. I understand why. That is not really the point. For example, if I know that I have already started the work and now I'm getting the issue, I can of course change to in progress, right? And I can of course create the epic. Now, if you go to your issue and if you take a look at it, what you are saying here is, if you look at the history, you're saying here that you created this issue 9 seconds ago, or let us say on a specific date, and immediately, maybe after, like it says 3:49 and it is also 3:49. Maybe there is some difference, I don't know. But immediately after getting, I started the progress. So to be honest, this is wrong. Or this is of course not really showing the true picture, because if you created the issue after you have started the work, then of course that is a problem anyways to begin with. I'm not really saying do it. Do it, but it is okay, I understand. But you are actually automatically transitioning the issue from to do to in progress, or to basically any other state. You're of course in a way bypassing, but you're not bypassing. You are basically saying that yes, I've done the work. So let us say if I say done here, and in this case I have like this epic straight away, or any issue straight away going from to do to done. And if I now look at the where is the history? So it says here to do to done, and we basically have no clear visibility of what actually happened in this particular issue. So I'm not 100% sure about the use case. I would just create an issue. Let us say I forgot to create the issue, right? So what I would do, I will say, okay, some functionality, right? Let us say for some reason this is what I want to do in reality. I will open the issue, view issue, and now I can say here, okay, we create this issue, maybe let us say I move it to done, right? I can actually have, usually I recommend that whenever you move the issue to done or closed, have like a resolution like screen somewhere in between, and then you have the option to add a comment, explain what happened, why. Of course, you can still do it, and the other option is still fine, but not sure. I probably need to, I can't really recommend it to my clients or someone who is using Jira, that okay, you can straight away create a new issue with the status in progress. Not sure. What do you think? Let me know. Do you think it's a good idea? Now, the thing is, you can, I believe, disable this feature. So if you go to System, and if you go to Edit Settings, there is an option, fortunately, to disable it. So there is something called as Status Off Update, and if I now click on the Create button, now we are back to normal, right? And this is what I prefer. And maybe I'm saying this because I'm not used to it, and I'm not really sure about the implications of directly creating an issue with the status in progress, because in a way you are creating this issue with, you're not really creating an issue with in progress status. You're basically saying that yes, we are creating this issue with this status, but Jira did the transitions for us. So I'm not really comfortable with that as a user, as a consultant, as an admin. I want to know who did what and when, and you still need a PM, right, to take care of these things. Anyways, all right, that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.